Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson of Kiswahili with Nancy Grace. In this lesson, we are going to be learning about affirmative words. Daily Swahili lessons, we are going to be learning affirmative words. 1. Unaweza. Unaweza. You can. You can. 2. Usijali. Usijali. Don't worry. Don't worry. 3. Mambo yatakuwa sawa. Mambo yatakuwa sawa. Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. 4. Ninakuelewa. Ninakuelewa. I understand you. I understand you. 5. Nakuelewa. Nakuelewa. I understand. I understand. 6. Nitakusaidia. Nitakusaidia. I will help you. I will help you. 7. Utafaulu. Utafaulu. You will succeed. You will succeed. Don't forget, we are learning about affirmative words, which means that these are words you use to give someone hope that they can achieve or do something that they don't believe they can do.